Okay guys, hey, so I'm unboxing the UNICE headband wig for the first time. This packaging, it's like cotton candy blue, which is cute. You get a nude wig cap and these eyelashes. Does anybody ever use the eyelashes that come in hair bags or boxes? I'm just curious if you guys do. Here are the eyelashes, and they actually look really nice. They're okay. I like the case. Here she is. This is in a 20 inches. Oh, there is an extra headband. Oh, they did give me one. Aww. This is actually not a bad headband. So it's like black with these pink flowers on it. So not bad. Here she is. She smells like weave. I should probably wash her. But here she is, 20 inches. Not too long because I didn't want to pay too much for this because it's a headband one. But anyway, so here we go. See that? There is like a little dent right here from when it was folded, but oh, that feels really nice. Ooh. Here is the actual headband part. Slightly stretchy. Velcro. There's this little thingy on it. I don't know what that's for. But this does have a comb. There's one comb in the back and there's one comb in the front. I kind of want to try it on now, so let's do that. Big head gang! Just put it on. Gotta put the comb in the back. Just push her forward with this comb and dig her in. Oh man, it's kind of snug, especially because I have that bun in the back. Why is it crooked? Okay. This is pretty. Oh man. Ow. Let me back that up a little bit. Let me flip my head over so I can secure it. Wow. Ooh, I'm getting a headache. Let me back this comb up, child. I might not even gonna put that comb in there. All right. Ooh, that was an instant headache. But here we go. First impressions. This is 20 inches. I could have probably went longer because I think they usually just do it by like how like long the curl stretches out, which is fine. I kind of already knew that. So it's a very soft. Oh, I can tell it's gonna get like bigger. I like this, y'all. Let's try this on with my birthday headband. So this is my little birthday headband from Amazon. Does that look? Oh, that looks so cute. I'm probably definitely gonna move it more forward and secure that comb. But guys, this is super cute. Let me do a phone test. Oh yeah. Ooh, the lighting's changing, sorry. But so far, first impressions, I do love this hair. So let's see how it holds up for my birthday. Oh sis, we might have to grab a few more of these, okay? I am fangirling.
Love you, babe. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me, stopping me. Take it to the top of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me, over me. Take control of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I could handle you as just a friend. Oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock?
Okay guys, we're finally at my like 2-week mark with this unit. I've officially worn it for on and off 2 weeks, and I have some things to finally say. I have some pros and cons. So let's start with the pros. This is a super easy to apply, literally beginner, super beginner friendly. The only issue you might have is just slicking down your edges or however you want your hairline to look. But even then, if you put a headband on that's like big enough, like you don't even have to see your hairline. So that's probably the only thing you have to like really think about. Versatile, you can throw it up in a pony, bun, things like that. I've done that with this unit already. I like it down personally. I just think it looks better this way. One I would have to say is the tangling. It doesn't tangle while it's on me, like not too bad, but the detangling sessions worry me because every time I detangle it, like you saw in some clips of me washing it, every time I detangle it, there is like clumps of hair. And I think that's mostly because I'm doing more research. This is a curly unit, so I don't think maybe straight units will do it as much, but curly hair apparently sheds more. There's nothing shedding on me like as I sit here, but when I actually like manipulate it with a comb and try to detangle it, there's issues. Here's a pro. Another pro is it's actually not that hard to manage. The most I've done with it is throw in some leave-in conditioner. I also bought some mousse, but I haven't put any mousse on it yet because I don't know, like it frizzes up, but I feel like that makes it look more natural in my opinion. So I think honestly all I do is like detangle it and throw in some leave-in conditioner and I'm fine. Like this looks decent to me. Okay, so now is it worth it? Is it worth the $100, $200, $300 you might see these run for? Personally, I think you can find a synthetic version of any half wig, headband wig that you see. Half wigs have been around for years. Like I'm talking like before my time, and I'm only like 28. So I'm talking about like I think our moms and moms wore them. But the only pro in buying a unit that is like in the hundreds, it's human hair, all that stuff, it will last you longer. So if you're really in love with a curl pattern or a type of style, I think you should, you know, invest in it. So for instance, I love kinky curly hair, so that's why I got a unit that mimics that hair texture. It will last, this will last me a very long time, and I don't wear wigs that often either. So if I take care of it, detangle it, wrap it back up in its plastic and put it in the box and put it away, I think I'll be good to go. I want to switch it up a lot with the headband wigs. I think you should just get synthetic ones. I think they're just as well. Half wigs have come a very long way, and I have a few half wig reviews actually on my channel. And I might do some more half wig synthetic units. I did have one in mind that I wanted to show you guys, but that one was trash. Like the knotting was ridiculous and the shedding was ridiculous. It was so pretty though. Actually, yeah, my Shein haul, I'll insert the thumbnail, that was a half wig and that one was really pretty, but it does not last long. So if you're in love with a texture or like a curl pattern, like if I could get that in a human hair wig, I would invest in that one because I did like that texture a lot. I liked the wave pattern in it. So that's the only thing I can think about really the differences. But if you want something quick and easy, I think you can get a synthetic headband wig and be good to go. Yes, I will be purchasing more, but no, I can't say you have to get a human hair one. I think the synthetic ones do the job just as well. It's all about longevity. How long do you want it to last? Or are you willing to just continuously pay the 20 bucks for the synthetic one? So it's something to think about. Overall, you know, UNICE always comes through for me. Like, they're the only hair vendor I've really like gone back to multiple times. I've tried other hair vendors and they've all disappointed me. I did get this on Amazon. It was about $130, I think. So that's not too bad for a wig that's gonna last me a very long time, because I don't wear wigs that often, you don't know. And even under here, which is what I love about curly units, I have mini twists. Like, I haven't finished them yet, I haven't done the front yet, but I have some mini twists in here too. So it's like versatility. That's what I love about wigs in general. So my thoughts on the headband wigs. If you guys want me to try some more, maybe some more synthetic ones, more affordable ones, please let me know down below. It's protective style season, you guys, so I highly recommend checking out some headband wigs in a texture that you are really in love with. Let me know down below any suggestions you guys have of wigs you want me to try, and give this video a like if it helped you out, and subscribe, join the family, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.